Hi friends, are you worrying for money all the time and having a financial stress? You are in a debt. You are feeling I have to work so hard to attract money. If you are one of those or you want to earn more income and you feel you are earning less than you deserve, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Dr. MK Shivani. I'm Millionaire Mindset Frequency Coach. Change your energy, vibrate at energy of money, elevate your monetization, identify your money blocks, and increase your income to 2x in next 30 days by attending my 4-hour workshop of Millionaire Mind Frequency, where I help you to identify this, execute some millionaire habits, and get a perfect personalized outcome by activating 4-step formula of 4-dimensional millionaire mindset frequency blueprint. So in this 4-hour workshop, you are going to not only get the master secrets of abundance, but also you are going to experience amazing experiential experiments where you are going to your money blueprint by changing your money software. You are also increasing the RAM of your central processing unit. You are also going to know what is your antivirus software for your money software, and you are going to have amazing experience in 4-hour workshop. You will learn all the secrets, all the habits of the millionaires, and with the right information, if you execute in next 30 days, you will be vibrating at a different frequency and you will be open to attract the abundance. Why you should listen to me? I have experienced the different money cycles in last 20 years. I have spent more than 80 lakhs of rupees to learn how to earn and manage money. I have gone from zero to millionaire 2 times. I have also gone to a huge debt cycles and recovered. My journey from financial illiteracy, Arthik Adnyan, to the financial literacy, and created multiple sources of income, even though I am a single parent. So I want to help. My mission is to help 1 lakh souls, help them to identify their money blocks, vibrate at money frequency, and help them to guide, execute those habits to reach to their outcome to whom they deserve, and lead a life much happier, much healthier, and full of abundance, which is with peace, progress, and prosperity. So if you want to change the money world, click on the link below and just register with this no-brainer offer. You are going to get the bonuses, which is much higher than value. Also, you are going to get my 3 books named Discover 9 Secrets of Abundance, Financial Abundance Strategies, Money and Attraction, and you will have a lifetime access to my Telegram channel and YouTube channel, where you will get constant, consistent updates on money and so more, everything about the money and wealth creation. So click on the link below. Thank you so much and have a great and abundant life ahead.